Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to reset password in the Ring app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, to reset password in the app, all you need to do is simply tap open the app, and once the app gets opened up, you need to tap on the sign in option. Once you tap on the sign in option, you end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply type in your email address of your account. Once you do so, tap on the continue button, and then you need to now tap on forgotten your password option. After you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply type in your email address and then tap on reset password. Then in matter of seconds, you will receive an email in your mailing address where you need to simply scroll down and tap on it. Once you do so, tap on the create password option. After doing this, you will end up in this page where all you need to do now is simply create a password and retype the password again for further verification. After this is done, hit the change password option and you are all set with a brand new password as you have resetted it in your Ring app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.